Ever wonder why igneous rocks never get stressed? Because they're used to dealing with a lot of pressure. Welcome to the fascinating world of igneous rocks, the fiery, molten daredevils of the geological universe. Born from the intense heat and pressure in the Earth's mantle, these rocks are the literal building blocks of our planet. So buckle up as we embark on an extraordinary journey through the fiery birth, cool life, and far-reaching influence of these geological superheroes. Picture this, deep down below our feet, beneath the crust of the Earth, there's a party going on. It's hot, it's wild, and it's high pressure. In this chaotic environment, magma forms, and when it cools and solidifies, voila! We have our first igneous rock. Igneous rocks come in two sizzling varieties, intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive rocks, much like your unwelcome in-laws, form inside the Earth. They cool slowly, giving crystals time to grow, resulting in rocks like granite, the hardy stalwart of kitchen countertops worldwide. On the other hand, extrusive rocks are the life of the party, bursting onto the scene through volcanic eruptions. They cool quickly, leaving no time for large crystals to form. The result, fine-grained rocks like basalt. But igneous rocks are more than just pretty faces. They play a major role in the Earth's cycles. Weathering breaks them down into tiny pieces, which eventually form sedimentary rocks. Heat and pressure transform them into metamorphic rocks, and extreme heat melts them back into magma, ready to become igneous rocks once more. It's a rockin' cycle that keeps our planet dynamic and ever-changing. Igneous rocks also have a profound impact on human life. Granite, a favorite among builders, forms the foundations of our cities. Pumice, with its abrasive qualities, helps us scrub away the grime of daily life. Obsidian, once used to craft tools and weapons. So, the next time you use a granite countertop, scrub your feet with a pumice stone. Give a nod to the igneous rocks. They've journeyed from the molten core of the Earth to play an indispensable role in our lives. In summary, igneous rocks are the cool kids on the geological block. Born from intense heat and pressure, they form the foundations of our world and play a vital role in our everyday lives. They're the superheroes of the geological universe, constantly transforming and influencing the world around us. To wrap things up, let's remember that igneous rocks are truly nice, but don't take them for granted. They're a hard act to follow, and remember they're always under a lot of pressure, but they never crack under it. So keep your basalt grounded and stay rock solid. Thanks for joining us on this geological journey. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our extraordinary Earth.